Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. In today's lesson, we are going to study some commonly used verbs which belong to the category ER verbs. So the topic is commonly used ER verbs. Alright, so here are certain examples of the verb which are ER. The first is the verb habiter. The verb is habiter, which means to live. Next is parler. The verb is parler, which means to speak. Next, aimer. The verb is aimer, which means to like. Next, adorer. The verb is adorer, to love, or you can say to adore. Next, détester. The verb is détester, which means to hate. Next, étudier. The verb is étudier, which means to study. Now from this verb, we have this noun étudiant, which means student. Next verb is chanter. The verb is chanter, which means to sing. From here we have this noun une chanson, which means a song. Next, fermer. The verb is fermer, which means to close. So if I want to say someone that please close the door, what will I say? I'll say fermez la porte s'il vous plaît. The next is tomber. Tomber, which means to fall. Next is visiter. The verb is visiter, which means to visit. Alright, so the next verb is jouer. Jouer means to play. Penser. The verb is penser, which means to think. Préparer. The verb is préparer, which means to prepare. The next is couper. Couper means to cut. The next is inviter. The verb is inviter, which means to invite. Next is déjeuner. The verb is déjeuner, which means to have lunch. Next, dîner. The verb is dîner. Dîner means to dine or to have dinner. Next verb, aider. The verb is aider. Aider means to help. Next is acheter. The verb is acheter, which means to buy. Next verb, monter. The verb is monter. Monter means to climb. Now here, these are somewhat similar verbs, but here we have R. So if you write monter, the meaning is to climb. Here it is montrer. The verb is to show. Next, aller. Aller means to go. The next one, donner. The verb is donner. Donner means to give. The next word, porter. The verb is porter. Porter means to wear, just like we wear clothes. The next verb, now it has an interesting pronunciation. We neither pronounce M nor P. The pronunciation is compter. Compter. Compter means to count. Next is décider. The verb is décider. Décider is to decide. Next, toucher. Remember I told you the pronunciation of CH is sh. So it becomes toucher. Toucher means to touch. And the last one is accepter. The verb is accepter, which means to accept. As we are getting a lot of queries regarding the complete course content for our school children, college going, and especially for DELF preparations, so soon we are launching the complete course content on our website learnfrenchbysuchita.com, which include the exclusive unlisted YouTube videos along with the audio files and PDFs, which will help you to take the French to the higher level. So stay connected, bon courage et bonne continuation.